Hi everyone, welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today we're going to show you how to check Spotify address. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Spotify app on your device. This is the first step to access your account information. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This action will open the menu with all your settings. Step 3. Select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account and privacy settings. Step 4. Tap on Account. This option contains all of your account details. Step 5. View your current home address under your Premium Family or Duo subscription. This is where your address is currently registered. Step 6. Tap Premium Family and select Change Address. This will allow you to modify your existing address. Step 7. Follow the prompts to update your address. Once you're finished, make sure to save the changes. Method 2. Step 1. Open a web browser and log into your Spotify account on the Spotify website. You must be logged into your account to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to addresses under the account section. You will find your billing and shipping addresses listed here. Step 3. Tap the Edit Personal Info button. This will let you make changes to your address information. Step 4. Update your address as needed and save the changes. Always remember to save the changes you've made. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.